Hi everyone, it's Miss Madison from Kids Clubhouse, and I have a farm animal counting activity for us to do today. What I did was I found 4 different animals that live on a farm, and we're going to count them together and see how many of each animal there is. So get your counting skills ready, and I hope you have fun doing this video with me. So here are the 4 different animals that we're going to be counting today. The first one we're going to be counting are these chicks. What color are these chicks? That's right, they're yellow. Now let's see how many chicks there are by counting together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 chicks on the paper. Now can anyone recognize what number looks like the number 5? That's right, that's what the number 5 looks like. Now let's move on to our second farm animal. What's this farm animal? That's right, it's a turkey, and what do they say? Gobble gobble. Right, now let's count together. 1, 2, 3. So there's 3 turkeys on the paper. And can anyone find the number 3 right above the turkeys? Good job, you found the number 3. It's right in the center. Now let's move on to our third animal. What animal is this? That's right, it's a sheep, and what colors are sheep's? Black and white. That's correct. Now let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 sheep. Now let's see if you can find the number 4 right under all of the 4 sheeps. Good job, that's what the number 4 looks like. Now everyone make a sheep noise. Now I know everyone knows what this last animal is. A pig, that's right. And what color do you see? Yes, a pig is pink. Now let's count them together to see how many pigs there are. 1, 2. Good job, there's 2 pigs on the paper. Can you find the number 2 right above it? Good job, that's what the number 2 looks like. You guys counted all the animals and you did such a great job. I hope you enjoyed this fun little activity with me, and I'll see you next time.